tab up jokes and stop the pity them and just everything just done and over with. Anything when I have to say, but you send me the message, me can't read. I send me a voice note, me will listen, me them correspond over the phone. And a PTA blood clot, me have time for that. Place already. I went to the place already, Spice. But go there already. Spice, but go there already.
She's a horrible person. So when you see persons in the comment section not taking her seriously, it's because she's a horrible person. She has said horrible things. This is the person who is on camera that was recorded saying, matter of fact, she recorded herself saying she feel like unalive her child. This is a person who is recorded multiple times talking to her child in ways that her mother shouldn't. This is a person who is on camera who their child asks if they're coming to their PTA meeting, and such not a time for that. And this are the person who decides to want to put on a sympathy and empathy towards, behind, atop, under. Really? But guess what? I'm not surprised, because this shows me yet again that Jamaicans do not want better. Jamaicans prefer to be entertained than to be elevated. Jamaicans, elevation, entertainment. These are the priorities. And a similar situation happened recently when time Silk Boss did the song about the brown man shooting thing. And I came on here and say you don't need to block Silk Boss. And if we not block him, at least don't listen to the song. And with every single other dancehall artist and every single artist in general, Cartel, Movada, Bounty Killer, Beanie, all of them, the moment they do a violent song that is a detriment to our society, we don't need to watch it, listen to it. But again, entertainment matters more to you than the elevation of our people. Yeah, to conclude, I don't feel sorry for Rosalee. Her children need to be taken from her. She's clearly has been showing that she's not stable enough to raise children. Those are my thoughts. What are yours?